So I've been feeling a little guilty because I haven't really made anything these past few days, and so that's why I'm posting a lot of these unedited clips. Um, anyway, so I feel sort of bad because there is this divide, or like there's this fine line between I just want to live, and also I want to be able to make things. Sometimes, I feel like I just want to rest. I don't owe anything to the world except to just exist. But at the same time, the dreamer in me, the passionate dreamer in me, just wants to say, uh, you have to strive, you have to struggle, you have to create something of value, which I have been doing for for years, for all my life. After I quit college, all I've been trying to do is just try and provide for everyone, for my family, for basically everyone. And I just want to breathe. Um, Frankly, I wanted to die last August, and so I consider this to be my second life. Um, and so I just want to breathe in this moment. But I know that I shouldn't do that. I would regret if I lived to 30 and I haven't created anything of value. I would regret that. I mean, and my other dilemma is I always try to provide for people. I always try to give out to people, and that's why it's easy for me to be the best at what I do, because I remember that I have people that I'm providing for, and I have people who rely on me, and I have people that I want to, you know, provide for. I have people that I love. I have people that I want to take to Disneyland to, and people that I want to have great jobs, that I have great salaries, that I have all those people. I have those people. Um, I have those people. But somehow, now that I've come so far in life, they've come so far as well in some way. And it's just, it feels like they don't need me anymore. It feels like no one needs me anymore. And it's the worst feeling. But there is a question that is always in my head, and it's, am I brave enough to do it for myself? Do I have enough courage to dream just for me, to do things just for me? Do I have all of that? I've spent like probably more than a year now trying to answer that question. Am I brave enough to be doing things for myself? And the answer truly is I'm not brave enough to do things for myself. I'm not brave enough if I don't have people I can provide for. I don't have the courage to just live for myself. I mean, I know people that can do that, and that's great. I admire them. I admire that maybe I just don't know how to shop. I admire that they know how to shop and where to shop. And I admire that they know the things that they want to buy with their own money. I admire that they're motivated to live for their dreams, or dreams for themselves. But I'm not able to do that. And that's why I feel like an NPC. Like I'm just floating through the world, and I'm not creating anything. And I want to be okay with that. I want to be okay with not creating anything, but I'm not.